We are now looking at a celebrity suite on board the brand new Celebrity Beyond. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. The Beyond is the largest and biggest and newest cruise ship from Celebrity. This is a full thermostat and room control system here. You can also do it from your phone with the Celebrity Cruises app. You can change the lighting, the blinds, all that good stuff. Let's have a look in the half bath here. And then you can go through to the main bath, which we'll see on the other side. Pretty spacious. The Celebrity Suite is part of the retreat on Celebrity Cruises. So if you book this type of room, you get all of the extra amenities. Normally the gratuities are thrown in, free drinks, premium drink package that is, and shipboard credits, and the best of the Wi-Fi is included as well. And breaking news, Starlink is now active on the Celebrity Beyond. You'll get complimentary Evian and water cans. You'll have a electronic plug box here with the European, American, and USB ports. Lighted vanity mirror here. Some storage space underneath. And you'll have a spacious couch with welcome champagne for everybody. And they do use a French Blanc de Blanc here, it looks like. Then you'll have a separated king bed with a sliding door, and this is the Celebrity Exhale bedding collection. And another Samsung flat screen TV here, another one out there in the living room. You'll have the full infotainment system on board, and you can see your folio and activities, the calendar, the navigation information for the ship there. And you'll have, hard to see, but you'll have closet space here. In the retreat, you also eat in Luminae. That'll be your specialty dining restaurant included for 3 meals a day. So you don't need to go to the main dining room. And you also will have Butler service included here as well. As the door here pushes in, you have a separate room control system there. They use the CO Bigelow amenities. Have a nice white sink with chrome fixtures and a glassed-in shower and tub combo. And you'll see here you'll have the rainfall shower head and the side heads. You'll have the, I forgot what you call that, and a handheld fixture there as well. Let's have a look out on the balcony, or the veranda if you want to be more luxurious about it. So they have safety locks here. And we'll have a standard width veranda, but spacious. So have a couch out here, and then a dining table and 2 chairs. You can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner out here. All 3 meals served by your butler. Right there is the iconic suite. Hopefully I'll get to look at that and the bridge right below. And we're hanging out today on a travel agent cruise. That's Nassau over there. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Celebrity Suite on board the brand new Celebrity Beyond. If you haven't already, make sure to hit like on the video, subscribe here to Affluent Journeys, that helps me a lot, and put some comments down below, especially if you've sailed here in this room, so that way others can learn from your experience and see if it's the right thing for them. Also, I am a luxury travel agent. I do represent Celebrity Cruises for the North American market only. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on Celebrity, perhaps in one of the big suites, I'd love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve the offer that you would have by booking direct on your own. Even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly with Celebrity's North American offices only, not through another travel agent, you're not paid in full, and you booked it within the past 30 days, I might still be able to help improve things for you, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious qualified inquiries may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com. Make sure to check here on the YouTube channel for the full cruise ship tour and videos of the other room tours I do in my cruise tours playlist. So that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.